How high can Vechain go in 2021? Welcome back, guys. It's Crypto Rocco from Rockstar Trading Channel. In today's video, guys, I'll be sharing with you my price prediction on Vechain. Also, guys, I'll be touching on what Vechain project is about and why I like it so much briefly. I've been talking about Vechain for 2-3 years. Fundamentally, it's one of my favorite projects. It's actually one of the only blockchains that have use cases and an adoption. So I'll touch on Vechain and the latest news. And at the end of the video, I'll be sharing with you my price prediction. Also, guys, I'll be sharing with you my exact trade setups and how we've been trading Vechain in the Rockstar Trading Group. In the YouTube channel, I post about which coins are breaking out, what levels I'm looking to buy. I'll actually give you a free tip for people that watch all my channels. Check out my Chainlink video. Chainlink is breaking out. I posted a Chainlink setup in the Rockstar Trading Group today. I'll make a Chainlink video for you guys for YouTube in a couple of days. You can watch the previous Chainlink video on my YouTube channel. I shared that setup. It triggered today. Like I said, I'll share with you my setups even now in this video. But in the Rockstar Trading Group, I can post exactly when it's breaking out. This was the breakout out of Tencent. I'll review that trade in the Rockstar Trading Group. There's live streams, there's more updates, there's other people talking about. If you are interested in the Rockstar Trading Group, I'll leave the links below. If cryptocurrencies, and if you do get an altcoin season, this is the opportunity of a lifetime to make money. We've not seen markets like this since back in 2017, so make sure you take advantage of it. I'll leave the links below for you to check out if you're interested. Now, guys, let's get into Vechain. So Vechain, my trade in Vechain was breakout out of 100 sats against BTC, and my thought was that Vechain, ADA has broken out, Zilliqa has broken out, and Vechain fundamentally is such a good coin. I think Vechain will head towards those levels as well, and there's the trade I took. I recommend you go watch those videos around February time where I shared that Vechain setup. Once it broke above 100 sats, my trade was towards 200 sats, and that's where I took most of my profit. And that doesn't mean I'm bearish on Vechain, but the point I want to make is, you try to get in at these cheap levels and then you let it run. Even if, Vechain has already done like 2,000% move up since last year. If we study the Vechain trade, it's gone up almost 8,000% since the bottom, the crazy DeFi drama. So even if Vechain pumps from here to $3, it's only 1,000% gain. So the biggest gain is already had. I'm not saying I'm bearish on it, but the best entries you get when not many people are looking at it. So that's what I'm looking at Vechain now. So it doesn't mean I'm not bullish on bearish. I think Vechain goes a lot higher, especially in a bull market. Could easily go up 2-3x%, but you can see the gains that we can have. That's why it's important to be trading, and even after the bear market, most people will leave. You can see the Rockstar Trading Group, our group, people are joining our group, or YouTube channel views. It's really important to get in when people aren't getting in. That doesn't mean Vechain can go up, but that's where I took some profit. So that's a really important point I wanted to make. But from technical analysis point of view, as long as Vechain is above 250 to 220, I am very bullish on Vechain, and I think Vechain heads towards this level now, which is a 360 sats, same as what I said a few weeks ago. As long as Vechain holds above 10 sats, I'm bullish like it was there, and I'm saying the similar sort of thing. If it pulls back to 4 hourly, I look to long this level, and as long as it's holding above 250 220 sats, yeah, 200, let's say 200 sats is the high level, but around this level I'm going to be bullish on Vechain. So I'll be looking at the Vechain USD and share with you my price predictions. I know most people are here for the prediction. It's more important how you can actually trade and make money rather than exact price predictions. We like to get in on good trades. This was the trade, the Tencent that I showed you. This was back in April 6th. So I'll touch on the price prediction, but let me just review the news and updates. So Vechain news, there's lots of news on price, and I don't want price news. I want to see more fundamental use cases. I don't care too much on other people's price predictions, because they're just I don't think they're traders. But one news that is really positive for Vechain, very latest news this week, is Vechain surges as Salesforce partners with blockchain. Like I said, Vechain is an enterprise blockchain solution powerhouse. We've seen lots of other companies and people are using Vechain. It's based in Asia. They've already got huge partnership. People are using it, and I think Vechain is one of the leaders is with the service that they provide, blockchain as a service for companies. Vechain are doing really amazing. Watch the Vechain Thor and Vechain staking video. I touch on how the Vechain blockchain works. Again, fundamentally, I really like it. So check out that video. And if you talk about use cases, the industries that Vechain are in, logistic and supply chain, which I always talk about, the different industries that Vechain are in and what they're trying to do with the Internet of Things. I think Vechain can go a lot higher. I really like the Vechain ecosystem with Vechain Thor and how it works, and it helps other people, companies get started using blockchains. So it's not just about the price for Vechain. I love they're trying to get blockchain out there to everyone. So and you can see the passion for me. I love Vechain. Although I take profit, it doesn't mean I'm bearish on Vechain. I'll share with you my price predictions. I think it goes a lot higher, but It's really important to take advantage of this market. I don't think we'll see a market like this again for at least a few years. We've not seen it since 2017, so everything seems to be going up. So Vechain, guys, at the moment is 15 market cap. If you look at the use cases and some of the coins that are above there, I'm not, the point is, people say Vechain can't go up higher, its market cap is already high. But if Bitcoin and everything carries on higher, these market caps, you can look at Chainlink, they're all going to go up. So I don't want to pay too much attention to market cap. As long as it's bullish, as long as it's holding the trend, again, make sure you have a strategy. Whether you follow ours or have your own strategy, please make sure you have a strategy. Our strategy is a trend following strategy. We look to get in on pullbacks, but it's really important to have a strategy and take profit. Otherwise, I'll make another video on Litecoin. One of my friends bought Litecoin less than $20. He ran it up to $300-$400, didn't sell and dropped it, and FOMO'd and sold. And we don't want to be like that. We want to get in and take profits. So that's a really good point. So just to review, I don't care too much about the market cap. As long as the trend is up and the Bitcoin and Ethereum are holding, I think Vechain goes up a lot higher. So now let's get to the good stuff, the Vechain price prediction. I've shared with you my trade setup in Vechain there. I would like a pullback now against Vechain BTC, and you can look to buy some now with wide stop loss. But again, I've not really got a setup now. I'd probably look for a pullback towards 15 cents, but I've not really got an exact setup. I'd look for consolidation. This was my setup when I posted, and go watch the YouTube video, previous YouTube video around April time. I shared this exact setup similar to the Chainlink setup I've shared. It just triggered, so I posted it in the group. So guys, for Vechain, I think the next level Vechain heads towards is the 25 to 30 cent level. Lots of people are thinking this level, but I think Vechain heads towards that 25 cent level in the next few weeks to month. A long time frame, if the bull market continues, I do think Vechain will head towards that 75 $1 level. People call me crazy for ADA heading towards that level. I think Vechain can head towards that level as well, especially with what I've talked about. And if Bitcoin and the market continues going up, I think Vechain has got a very realistic chance of heading there. So that's my thoughts on Vechain, guys. What is your thoughts? Do you think Vechain can head to $1, or do you think it goes up higher? Comment below your price predictions for Vechain and your thoughts on the project. Let me know what you think about Vechain. Are there any other news that I should be aware of? There's lots of stuff happening in the cryptocurrency market. It's good to work as a community, and I want to get help from you guys as well. If you know a lot more about Vechain, let me know. I'm happy to have a look. So thank you very much. Smash that like button, subscribe to the channel. If you are interested in the Rockstar Trading Group, I'll leave the links below. If not, guys, just smash that like button, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you guys soon with another great video. Go Vechain.